Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo here. I'm back again. Did a little shopping for the kids. Not all kids are going to be wearing uniforms this year, so I got a few things for the kids, some accessories, so I hope you enjoy. Please leave any questions or comments below. Let me know how I'm doing. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Enjoy. Oh my God, as soon as I saw this, I had to stop. Is this not the cutest skirt? Look at these. They had them in 3 different colors with the matching shirts. Oh, this is so cute. Future princess. Oh, this is a Granimal, so they got the matching shirts to it. It is adorable. $4.48. That is cute. Okay, so this is the other side of that table. These are so adorable right here. Look at that. More Garanimals. The little shirt here, that is adorable. See, one side had the skirts and the top, and the other side has the pants and the top. So this is the pants side. I love that. Look at the little cut on the bottom. And these little pants right here, they match that gold shirt. It's got the same pattern in that word love. That is adorable. That is nice. Okay, here was the next sale thing I saw was the little girls' underwear. So they got a bonus pack, 14 in a pack. They're Hanes. So, and then they have the boys' briefs over here. So, there are 10 pairs. 10 in a pack of boxers there. $12.46. That's a good price. Really good price. And the girls, 14 in a pack. These were these $9.48. So those are good prices right there. Check that out. Okay, here are some more down here. This is a 18 in a pack. So they gave an extra 4 in that pack. So, and you have to look out and make sure they're the right cut too. Okay, and these are the boys' tees right here. So they're in a pack of 8 instead of 5, and these were $8.96. So that's a good deal too. Okay, I love these little outfits right here. They came in a set with the shirt and the shorts. Every time I see these little outfits like this, I think about my sister. She's an early education teacher, and I can just see her little kids going in the morning. She has a 2-year-old class, so they call her the toddler whisperer. So these are such adorable outfits. I try to knock these out of the ballpark early, you guys, instead of waiting until the last minute. Is this not the cutest little skirt and blouse? Is that cute? Be unique. Okay, these shirts right here, I'm thinking you need to stock these up for winter times because these were all long sleeve shirts. So I don't think they're going to be appropriate for the summer right now, but down the road, I think these are straight up deals right here. And they've got them in every color. $4.48. Okay? $4.48. That is a good deal for these little shirts right here. These are adorable. See here, they even got, these are the, I think these will be the school uniform shirts like that. They got those also in long sleeves, so you might want to get a couple of those for the winter for the kids. And these were just a variety of colored t-shirts. They're adorable. They had them in every color. Look at that, $3.47. Look at that, every color. These are cute little tie-dye shirts. Those are adorable. Hey, and don't forget, you guys, when you go in there, the first thing you need to look for is the clearance. They've got a ton of shirts on clearance there. So don't miss out on those deals. Hey, they had these little tanks right here. They had them for younger girls, but they also had them for adults as well. So I think the adults ones were a little bit more, by like $2. But these were a bargain. They've got all these little little tanks here for in every color. White, cream, black, red, gold, blue, everything. So look at those colors. And the price on this is just, you got to just buy these, okay? $1.68. Okay, and here we go, more school supplies. So look at that, 80 pack. This is crazy. Look at all this paper. Look at that, 67 cents. 80 in a pack of paper, 67 cents. I think last week I found some, they were $1 at the Dollar Tree. But knock, knock, guess what? Walmart's at the door, Dollar Tree. Look at that, 100 in a pack. Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo here. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little for the kids Walmart preview. So please leave any questions or comments below. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, we'll see you next time.